This is one of the coolest next level lawn mowers I've seen, especially if you have a hilly or uneven yard. As you can see here at my friend's house, their backyard has plenty of slopes and uneven areas, which can be challenging for a lot of mowers. But this Mammotion Luba handles it incredibly well. It climbs hills, moves over rough ground, and just keeps going without getting stuck. And just look at those lawn stripes. It leaves such clean, professional-looking lines. They've been so happy with their purchase. What makes this mower different is that it's completely robotic. Once you get it set up, it maps your yard and learns where it needs to mow. It uses a combination of LiDAR cameras and GPS-style technology to figure out exactly where it is, so it can navigate around your property without needing boundary wires buried in the ground. It also does a great job avoiding obstacles. So whether it's trees, landscaping, outdoor furniture, or anything else in the yard, it can recognize objects and safely work around them. And speaking of the app, that's where you control everything. You can create different mowing zones, set schedules, choose mowing patterns, adjust cutting height, and monitor the mower's progress right from your phone. It's surprisingly easy to use. The mower automatically returns to a charging station when needed, recharges itself, and continues mowing where it left off. So instead of spending your weekends pushing a mower around the yard, this little robot does the work for you. Honestly, I was very impressed by this mower. Just watching it handle these slopes and uneven sections while still leaving such a clean, even cut grass is pretty impressive.